Hello everyone, I am Beaver. I am very happy to tell you that my new baby is born again. He looks very novel and strong. After debugging, he will be dressed in brand new clothes. Are you looking forward to what he looks like in clothes? I will tell you next time. Soon he will take a ship to Indonesia to find his owner and start his career. He is a double-column gantry horizontal bandsaw. His name is BVFT85. His name is very special because he is a machine customized by his owner. Are you curious about his personality and characteristics? Let me tell you. First, he has a double-column double-cylinder structure, which greatly prolongs the service life of the machine tool, which is unique. Second, his cutting speed is hydraulically controlled and steplessly regulated. Third, his saw blade linear speed adopts variable frequency speed regulation. Fourth, his sawing ability is stable, with high precision, and the saw bend hydraulic tension is tough. Fifth, his workpiece clamping method adopts hydraulic cylinder clamping, which is easy to operate. Sixth, his workbench can be equipped with hydraulic movement of 850 millimeters. The above is his character. He is a unicorn, mighty and strong. I hope he goes to Indonesia and works well for his master. I am Beaver. My next baby is about to be born. I will start to supplement nutrition. I will tell you the first time the new baby is born.